you guys want AirPods but you are not about to spend all your monies on AirPods, so you want some free AirPods. Well then this is the video you have been looking for. I am about to tell you how to get some free AirPods, so listen up. So step 1, what you want to do is, if you go to school, you want to go to the office and ask if they have an AirPod lost and found. Step 2, tell them that you lost your AirPods the other day and you wanted to see if anyone has reported any lost AirPods. Step 3, if they say how will you know if they're your AirPods, say they have a specific scratch and that's how you will know those are your AirPods. Step 4, they will bring out a bunch of AirPods and ask which ones are yours, and tell them that a random AirPod is yours and they will believe it and let you have them. And now, you have free AirPods. Like and subscribe, road to 500 subs.